Alright, so I broke my sunroof a while ago when my hood flipped up and shattered all this, dented my, so those dents are from, and then shattered this. So I replaced it with some plexiglass, and I was gonna try and fix that because it was leaking and I broke it. So now I'm gonna just switch to aluminum. I have this perfect sheet that'll work, and I'm just gonna cut it out and glue it down so that I have an aluminum roof, and I don't have to worry about glass breaking, and hopefully stop the water from coming into. It wasn't a lot of water, but just that thing was ugly, didn't work. So we'll try this out. Alright, got the template good, a little WD-40 and Scotch-Brite to make it look nice. It's not going to be perfectly shiny. This aluminum was actually off of a utility van, like blockage between the cab and the back, so it's just been beat up. But some freaking Scotch-Brite pads, a little WD-40, make it look as good as possible. Alright, basically got it all sealed up, just clamp the shit out of it. And I just decided to seal the inside too, so that if it does leak from the outside, hopefully it can't get in, so we won't get any moisture. Yeah, I mean, I just used this stuff, heavy duty, so should work. Alright, there's the finished product. Needs a little cleaning. Just clean up some of the extra glue, but it'll hold. Alright, here it is, guys. Thanks for checking the video out. Pretty stoked on how it came out. I didn't really take too much time doing it either, so if you break your sunroof and you don't want to be spending the few $100s to replace it, this is an easy, at least $50 or less mod that you can do. So thanks for checking it out. Subscribe if you liked it. Cheers.